Hi everyone, I am Ramesh, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics. In this lecture series video, we are going to discuss about the topic measures of central tendency. So before that, what is measures of central tendency? Measures of central tendency are mean, median, mode, geometric mean, harmonic mean. So these five are measures of central tendency. So now today we are going to discuss about arithmetic mean and median. So what is arithmetic mean? Arithmetic mean is nothing, is average. Suppose there are n data, how you find the n data? That is sum of all the data divided by number of data. That is called average. For example, the first person has some 5 pen, second person 10 pen. What is the average? Is 5 plus 10 divided by 2. That is equal to 15 by 2, 7.5. That is average. So there are three different kinds of series. We discussed this average. One is individual series, second is discrete series, and third one continuous series. So individual series, the data are individually present, and the discrete series, the number of data are repeated or frequencies there. We write the frequency formation is discrete series. Continuous series is like twice, is the class interval is there. So which data fall in the class interval, from that we find the continuous series and its related problems. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about arithmetic mean for individual series. So in this example here, first what is arithmetic mean of this 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. So what is arithmetic mean of these 4 data? So what is arithmetic mean? It is denoted by the symbol x bar. X bar is sum of all the data divided by number of data. So here there are 4 data, so 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 8 divided by how many data? 1, 2, 3, 4. So divided by 4, that is equal to 7, 15, 20. So 20 by 4, that is equal to 5. So 5 is the average. So it is average for individual series. Suppose we have one more. The data is 7, 3, 5, 2, 3, 4. What is average of this data? So again, average is x bar is equal to sum of all the data divided by number of data. So what is the sum? 7 plus 3 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15, 15 plus 2 is 17, 17 plus 3 is 20, 20 plus 3 is 24. So 24 divided by the number of data are 6. Therefore, 4. So 4 is the average. So these all are average for individual series. Next we go to average for discrete series. So what is a discrete series? Suppose the data is 2, 4, 7, 2, 5, 7, again 2. So it is individual series. We convert this individual series to discrete series. What is a discrete series? X is a number and f is a frequency. Here 2. First we take 2. 2 repeated in 3 times, therefore we write 3. That is the frequency. And next we write 4. So 4 is only 1 time, therefore we write 4. Next 5. 5 is 1, therefore it is 1. Next is 7. 7 is 2. It's 2. So it is called discrete series. So it is easy to convert the large data to the frequency formation, that is called discrete series. Now we are going to discuss about the problem based on arithmetic mean based on a discrete series. So now we have this the age in years, that is x. Age in years, we call it as it is x. X is 16, 18, 19, 20 and then 21. So it is age, and the number of persons, that is f, it is 5, 4, 3, 6, 8. Now we calculate the average. So what is average for discrete series? It is using the formula x bar is equal to summation of fx by sum of. That means the frequency multiplied by the data divided by the number of total frequencies. It is sum of x by f. So using this we find the mean. So first we take what is x and then f, then fx. So x is these all are, that is 16, 18, 19, 20 and then 21. F is a frequency, 16 repeated 5 times, 18 is 4 times, 19 3 times, 26 times, 21 8 times. Then multiply these two, fx. So fx is 16 5s are 80, and then 18 4s are 72, and it is 57, then it is 120, this one is 168. So we need what is sum of all these values. So we form the table. So it is sum of the total frequency and the sum fx. So sum of value is 26. Sum of all these value is 26, and the sum of all these value is 497. Therefore, the average x bar is equal to sum fx by sum of. So that is equal to sum fx is 497, and the sum of value is 26. After reduction, the value become 19.115. That is average for the given data. So next, we find the arithmetic mean for continuous series. Continuous series means the interval is there, the data fall in the interval. How do you find the arithmetic mean for continuous series? Here, the marks, the number of students, the marks, they got some marks. The marks are 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, there it is, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. And the number of students, number of students are 5, 10, 25, 30, 20 and 10. So what's the meaning of this? Here 0 to 10 marks, how many students? There are 5 marks, but we don't know what is the exact mark of the students. There are 5 students who got the mark between 0 to 10, and 10 marks between 10 students got the mark between 10 to 20, and 25 marks between 20 to 30, and 30 students got the mark 30 to 40, and 20 students got the mark 40 to 50, 10 students got the mark 50 to 60. So what is the average mark of the students? Then we calculate. So here we apply the average is sum f(m) by sum of. So what is this m? This m is neat value. In the previous problem, we have x. X is there. Easily we calculate what is fx1. But here m, instead of x, here we have the interval format. We don't know what is x. So on that type of situations, the interval, instead of interval, we take the mid value. So what is mid value of 0 and 10? 0 plus 10 divided by 2, that is equal to 5. And what's the mid value of 10 and 20? It is 10 plus 20 divided by 2, that is equal to 15. So that is mid value. Here it is lower limit and it is upper limit, or lower interval or upper limit. Okay? So using this formula, we calculate the median or this continuous series. Okay, next we got the problem for this, how to get the median. Right? So the marks, right? The mark is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, and then 50 to 60. The number of students that becomes f is, so we calculate the mid value, that is m. So it is mid value is m, is 5, that is 0 plus 10 divided by 2 is 5, 10 plus 20 is 15, 20 plus 30 divided by 2 is 25. And what is next value? What is the range? Range is 20. Range means the difference between largest and the smallest value. So difference of these two is 10, so we add 10 here. So 35, 45 and then 55. Then you write what is the number of students, that is the frequency is 5, and 10, 25, 30, 20 and then 10. We need what is fm. The fm is product of these two. 5 5s are 25, 15 10s are 150, and it is 625, it is 1050, and it is 900, and it is 550. Then we form the table. This is table. So So what is sum of? We need sum of value. The sum of is 100. There are 100 students in that class. And what is sum FM? The sum FM is the total value is 3,300. 3,300. So what is the average? Average is sum FM by sum of. That becomes 3,300 divided by 100. So cancel that. It is the value is 33. That is the average marks in that class. So in this lecture series video, we are discussing about the average or arithmetic mean of a given series. There are three kinds of series: individual series, discrete series, and continuous series. So the mean for individual series is x bar equal to sum x by n, and mean for discrete series is sum f x by n, and mean for continuous series is sum f by sum of m is the value. In next video, we are going to discuss about the median for all these three series. Thank you.